Hey guys, this is Miss Rebecca from the Kingwood Branch Library, and today we're going to make turkey and cheese pinwheels. Let's get started. First, we have our tortilla and some sliced bell peppers. Then comes the mayo and mustard. And you can't forget your turkey and your cheese. So first, we're going to spread the mayo on the tortilla. Da, 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 da. And if you like your tortillas to be warmed up a little bit, just pop them in the microwave. Do you prefer mayo or mustard? Let me know in the comments below. And once we've got a nice light layer of mayo on that tortilla, we can put some mustard on it. Why is mustard so difficult to come out of this? You just never know. And once we top it with our turkey and our cheese, just before we roll up the tortilla, we're going to add our bell peppers. And about 4 slices ought to do it. So, we're going to start from the end with the bell peppers and roll the whole guy up. And then we take our knife and when you start your cut, start from the middle of the tortilla so that they'll stand up straight. And another cut on one side here. And another cut on the other side here. Hear that crunch? That's that bell pepper. And now we can stand them up on their sides. Ta-da! Turkey and cheese pinwheels. Enjoy your snack today, guys.